Welcome back to our channel. Question 10 is about probability. First, A part is between these two values, but the other is given, so the total probability is 1. So the required probability is just 1 minus 0.288 and minus 0.434. After the calculation, you can get is 0.278. Got it? Well done. Next one, you need to find out the mu and sigma, so we need the calculator. Do you do the inverse normal function and find out the z value for the first one? Okay, less than. Good, then you can use the calculator to find the z value. The z value is negative 0.5592. And we have to interpret this. This is equal to 94.6, okay? Minus mu over sigma. Another one is, remember, larger than, so you have to choose the negative one. So you just find out the z value again, and the z value is 0.1662, and your interpretation is 98.1 minus mu over sigma. So solving these two equations, submitting this equation to equation 2 unknown, and you get the data. Remember, always a 4 silicon figure is good for the answer and also good for further use. So 97.3 and 4.825. You got it? Well done.